Kia ora, my name is Christian Huriwai. I'm the two-time street unicycling world champion and community youth champion for Te Hauora o Kaikohe. Mostly my job revolves around going into local schools and teaching kids how to unicycle. It's mainly just about setting goals and reaching them, just teaching them how to have fun, keep them active, and just trying to be a positive role model, try to teach them about doing something different. I see a lot of people my age drinking excessively. I just think, there's a lot of other things you can do with your time rather than just wasting your time and your money. Instead of getting wasted, I like to practice unicycling. I do a lot of sports, hanging out with friends. I like to travel, make videos. There's loads of positive stuff you can do out there. You just got to get out there. The main benefits are drinking responsibly. You can remember a whole lot more of your night. You're not always making such a dick of yourself. I don't dislike people who are drinking alcohol. I just think some people need to take a step back, really think about what they're doing instead of letting the drink take control of them. Stay in control, tai hoa on the emu waipiro.